Hey guys, Michael Keogh, Team Keogh at Remax, and hopefully you're out enjoying this awesome weather. Actually was over at North Swing today hitting some golf balls. If you haven't been there, guys, you got to go there. It's amazing. It actually feels like real golf. And with the weather outside today, yeah, North Swing, head on over, Cedar Point. Anyway, guys, let's get right into it. We'll start with some condo stats and we'll get into residential. So condos, there's 15 new listings this week, 11 last week. There's 3 conditional sales this week, which is the same as 3 conditional sales last week. So the 3 conditional sales this week are all properties that are listed this week as well, which is kind of interesting. 12 firm sales this week, 8 the week before. The interesting thing is we had talked about one on Allen Street in particular that had sold and closed in January of this year, 2020, for $600,000, and they brought it back on just recently for $629,900, and it sold for full price at $629,900. So again, clean and neat. That's something that's going to sell. 3 of those properties that sold, that firmed up this week, were relisted properties that they had been on the market before. So let's get into some residential. So 58 new listings this week, which is up from last week, which was 56. 10 of those properties are properties that have been relisted. We have 11 conditional sales this week. All 11 of the conditional sales are properties that are listed this week as well. So people have probably seen all the inventory maybe, because there's not that many listings. I think there's just over 200 listings right now in the city of Barrie in residential. So all 11 of the properties that have conditional offers on them are properties that were listed this week. Firm sales, the same number as last week. We have 50. 7 of those those sales were firm offers when they came in. So they were presented as firm offers. 18 came in at list or over list. The biggest one was $22,000. Now, that one there started at $379,900. So any of the properties that we're seeing with decent over list sale prices are properties in the $375 to $450 range, which is sort of that first time buyer area that we're looking at. 12 relists that sold this week as well that firmed up. About half of those sold at list price or less than slightly over list price. The one that was interesting, it was listed in November at $589,900. They brought it on at $625,000 just now, and it sold at $615,000. So the market is better. We all know that because of lack of inventory. So things are shifting a little bit, though. It's kind of interesting here. There's 20 price reductions in the last week. So we're going to keep an eye on that and see. We have 207 residential listings in Barrie and 20 price reductions in this past week. So, that's almost 10% of the properties are being reduced. So anyway, hopefully that's some information that you can use. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out, call, text, or email. Would love to sit down and have a coffee. Our treat.